Look, guys, welcome to the Trade of the Day. It's brought to you by Day Trade the World. So make sure that you hit that QR code at the bottom of your screen. So look, this was a pretty simple one for me here today. I'm going to make it, really quickly so we can get back to trading. Look, this is the FOMC. We all knew it was coming. We all knew it was going to be 75 basis points. 84%, 75. That extra 16 was hoping for that one, but that didn't come through. So there's the drop down, extends throughout. And then at about 208, you start to sort of get that upside again, right? As you can see, bases out, never takes down that low. That's what I was waiting for. So I'm going to indicate that now on the chart for you with Aapl. So I first want to show you just how crazy. If you guys have watched Trades of the Day with us before, you're going to notice, I should slow down, I'm still excited about this trade. You're going to notice that look at how fast these quotes are going. Not just that, look at the spread, right? Sometimes the spreads can open up, and then here's the time in sales. So a lot of volume. Aapl, 69 million shares today. And if you look down here, it's doing on average, and this is just rough math, that's 400,000. So I would say it's about 400,000, maybe a little lighter than that, per minute right now. So a lot of shares going through on Aapl. Now let's just review the trade. So here we go. We let the move happen. Now, it's too bad because if you pull the chart back a little bit, which you can't do right now, which is fine, because see how it keeps moving? But that 56 was a level that I wanted to look at for support. But it comes right down. Almost immediately, it drops $2 straight right down to the downside. So there's the take right there, and we're able to scalp a little bit out. We don't want to hold on to everything just in case we're wrong, and we are wrong. It drops back down below. We get out when it breaks through 156. Then we start it again. 155, we take a little bit. We take a little bit more down there at 154.80. We take this trade right now because we see that bottom, right? So now we say, okay, if we break below these levels, then we want to get out. But that never happens. So we buy it, and then look at this shot up. That's 154.80. These are 20s, all the way back up. That's 156.20. So we're making like $1.40, $1.60 on some of these shares. But we don't know how much more it's going to go, right? We can't see that future, so we have to wait for it. And what happens? Look what happens now. It drops all the way back down. Notice what we don't do. We don't get too aggressive. We wait for the key levels to come through. So as Aapl's falling back down, look where we start buying again. We're buying so that if we wind up losing on this trade, what we're willing to do is take a 50-cent hit. Like when we're buying 155 and our target out is 154.40, whatever that bottom is, that's a 60-cent hit. Look at the move back up to the upside. Dude, I like that look. You can go with that. Why not? Put that on the screen. Back to the downside. Now it goes back to the upside. Boom, boom, boom. Rips up again. Then, look what happens again. It gives it to us one more time. This is what's the best part about Fed, right? Is you're going to get that up and down. We have Brendan bringing the news. As Powell continues to talk, and here it is, 2:30, that's when he took this podium, and look what happened. I could say that we thought this was going to happen, but we actually did. We mentioned, and I have some videos out on Twitter too, where we were like, come on, Jerome, let's go. So Jerome Powell comes to the stage, and then it's just ignition time. We also take a 157 break right there as it breaks back up above 157, and look at these outs. Boom, 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 boom. That's 158.20, like we're taking dollars now. It pulls all the way back, gives us a bottom again. So what do we say? Give it to us again. 157.40, boom, out 158. I was actually getting greedy. I'm up there at the very top of the day. Hopefully we can get another fill, but hey, look, stick with the same names. Aapl was absolute fire today, and it was your trade of the day.